You sit down to work, you open the document, your hand hovers over the keys. But nothing comes. Your mind feels slippery, like you're trying to hold water. So you tell yourself, just 5 minutes, you'll reach for your phone. And suddenly, 2 hours are gone. You feel ashamed, broken. Here's what we need you to understand. This isn't your fault. Your focus didn't die. It was stolen, and the theft is still happening. We've been sold a lie. That focus is a character trait. That distraction is a personal failing. But neuroscience tells a different story. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for sustained attention, has limits. It can only handle so many decisions, so many interruptions, so much noise. And over the last 20 years, that noise has become deafening. There is an entire industry built on one goal: to harvest your attention and sell it. Engineers study your brain, they measure dopamine spikes, they test colors, sounds, vibrations. Every notification is a neural hijack. Every like is a dopamine microdose. Your brain didn't evolve for this. It evolved to seek rewards in the wild, to chase food, safety, connection. But now those ancient circuits are being exploited, weaponized. And you're left feeling like you're the problem. Let's talk about cognitive load. Every open tab, every unread email, every unfinished task, each one takes up space in your working memory, even if you're not looking at it. Your brain is like a computer with too many programs running. It starts to lag, to freeze. This is why closing those tabs, literally and metaphorically, feels like such relief. Here's the hard truth. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain doesn't do two things at once. It switches, back and forth, frantically. This is called task switching. And every switch costs you. Studies show it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully refocus after a distraction. 23 minutes. Multiply that by every notification, every open tab, every quick check. Your time doesn't just disappear, it's fragmented, shredded. Let's dive deeper into dopamine. It's not the pleasure chemical we were taught it was. Dopamine is the anticipation chemical. It drives you to seek, to chase, to scroll. This is why you can't stop checking your phone. It's not because you're weak, it's because your reward circuitry has been hacked. You've probably heard this. Humans now have a shorter attention span than a goldfish. It's not true. That statistic came from a Microsoft marketing report, misinterpreted and endlessly repeated. Your brain can still focus, deeply, for hours, when the conditions are right. But those conditions have been systematically destroyed. So what do? We start by understanding this. Reclaiming your focus is an act of rebellion. It's not about willpower, it's about redesigning your environment. Create a space that protects your attention, not one that demands it. One task, one tool, one focus. Give your brain a break. 24 hours without social media, without news, without scrolling. Let your dopamine receptors recover. Let boredom return. It's not the enemy, it's the birthplace of creativity. Before you pick up your phone, set a timer. 2 minutes. Awareness interrupts automation. That pause is power. Here's what Reason Unfolded has learned. Focus isn't about productivity. Not really. It's about presence. It's about being here, fully, with the people you love, with the work that matters. And when you reclaim your focus, you reclaim something sacred. You reclaim your humanity. We created Reason Unfolded because we believe in you. We believe your attention is worth protecting. If this resonated, join us, hit subscribe, become part of a community of curious minds. And leave us a comment. What's one thing you're going to protect your focus from today? Until next time, stay curious.